Hey guys, welcome to this video. So last week when I got my MacBook Pro, I started off writing a calculator app on Friday, so the next day. And yeah, I changed something in it yesterday, so I used an if clause or if statement or if statements for the chosen operation, so plus or addition, multiplication, subtraction, division, and I just changed it from an if statement or if statements to switch statements because of a friend who told me this is actually more attractive in code, and he's right. So here in the comments you can see that I changed the code in the view controller, and yeah, no, this should be in present, but who cares. Here you see that switch chosen operation, so I switch on this chosen operation, and plus, minus, and you see I have got multiplication as the default case. That's because I like multiplication the best. That's actually what I use the most in school, or generally in maths. I think that's what most people use. Okay. Pretty cool, right? I don't know why I've done it like this. Here you can see that I actually have a string here, and I turn this. I want this to be a string, so I have strings here, and then actually first number and second number are strings, and I like translate them into ints, and then just put them together, and then in the end it's again a string. But let's just look at it in code. Here, that's the full code. You can see that. You see I've got like the outlets for the history label and the result on display. The history label is like what you type in, and then you say plus and it's still there. And result on display is like all the things that are displayed right now. And you see I've got some other things. First number and second number, that's pretty obvious. Result number, that's the end because I override it all the time. Chosen operation, so that's what we just talked about. Last result history. That's obvious because when you type in a new number and you want to go back to see what you have typed in last, it's a feature that I built in. You can get them back. And result on, that's just for like overriding these all the time, so I know that this is still true. And yeah, here you can see that it's pretty obvious. I think I don't believe everything works. Let's take a look at the calculator. Let's take it for a run. I don't believe everything that I build works properly. It took me 2 days to make it. Like I started off afternoon on Friday and finished it on like Saturday, and yesterday I improved something. Or I don't know if these were the right dates, but it took me 2 days. So here you can see that. Oh, my computer's getting loud. Sorry for that if you can hear it. So you can see I can type in some some numbers, and then I can get them back. And when I type in something new, oops, I want to have that back, I can get that, but I can actually do a new operation. But I can also add something to this. Let's say I want to have 4, and then I want to take this 10 times. So you see that works at least, which is pretty cool. The C button doesn't work, sadly, but I don't think that's a problem. You can just type in a new number. I have to improve this a bit, but I didn't have time, and I'm learning about more complex apps now because I have a project that I'm working on, and actually 2 projects, and I need to know more. So this is actually pretty easy, but you get the concept, and it's pretty cool, I think. Right, so you can view the code on GitHub if you want to. So just go to the CalcApp, and then CalcApp, and here to the view controller. To the view controller, and here you can see all the code. I will probably update it over the next few days or something. I don't know when I have time to do that, but yeah. The link is in the description below if you want to check it out. I don't know if you want to do that, but yeah, that's it. See you next time, guys.